The IDE in the integrated development environment we are going to use is the Code Composer Studio. So it's from Texas Instruments. So you can go to the Texas Instruments homepage and download Code Composer Studio. I think you need to register for a free account to download. So I'm using the version 10. This board, it's very old and it comes with the version 4, which doesn't work with Windows 10, but with a few modifications we can run all the examples designed for Code Composer Studio 4 also with the Code Composer Studio 10. So you can go to the Texas Instruments website and download Code Composer Studio and install on your computer. So the Code Composer Studio, it needs a workspace. So this is a folder where the projects are stored. When you start Code Composer Studio, it will ask you to create this directory, or to set a directory as a workspace. And then we will need to install the C5000 compiler. It doesn't come with the installation itself, and we need to install it separately. So I'm here at the Texas Instruments homepage. We can search for Code Composer Studio, download. So we have here the Code Composer Studio IDE, and we are in this page here, and we can download Code Composer Studio. Here there's just an explanation that the Code Composer Studio V7 and later, they are technology software publicly available compliant. So this means it does not require a paid license. So we can go down here. In my case, I'm using a Windows machine. So you can download here, and you also find for Mac and Linux. And you can download the Code Composer Studio install on your machine.